Easy with that screwdriver. Are you David? Hey, Pop, Rennie. Okay, Rennie. Rennie. Rennie, Papa's here. Rennie. Hi, honey. Welcome home. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Welcome home.
Well, can you get the glasses back on?
Yeah. Let me see you. Welcome home. Give me a kiss. Listen, I don't remember Papa falling so much. Okay, look at me. Hey, David. David, I need... David, I need you to measure something for me, okay? Okay, can you go measure that over there, please?
What?
Because I need you to fix that where it's all messed up in front of the door. Can you go measure it so we know how long it needs to be? Okay, how many inches is it?
100.
Okay, that's good. All right.
3
All right. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready for this movie?